Hello everybody. Hope you all are safe and doing well. It's been long time since I did a voiceover, so again, pleasure meeting you all. I wanted to introduce this video a little as I am trying to explore new things in digital drawing. So, in this video, it's an illustration of a girl sitting at window and enjoying the rain outside with the rain flipbook animation. This complete illustration took me 3 hours in total, but I recorded it with time lapse by 16. So now, why this illustration in specific? As we all are in the same situation and staying at home, but there are many things that we can do by being at home. So if it's raining, it's way more calming and safe to enjoy from home. The main happiness factor comes from within, and there are various things that we can explore and enjoy at home. So, this is my new exploration in my art field, and I am loving it. Let me know how you all liked it and what all the things that you have became aware of recently. If you have any suggestions for me, please do mention and comment. I will be working on diligently. Thank you so much for your time, and do check out other videos and like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.
We never look back. Here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.